Wanna know how to send files to your friends in Messenger? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Messenger application, and once you have done that, you should be provided with various options. So make sure you are logged in as well. And now, right here, you should be seeing your friends set. So just simply open up your friends set and you should be seeing various interactions and stuff. So once you have done that, here you should be seeing this plus icon right here on the bottom left side. So you can just simply select this plus icon, and now here you should be seeing files. So just simply select files, and now your file explorer should open up and you can send various files including documents, PDF and much more. And that's it. So as you can see right here, now you can just simply send more files as you want, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.